Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Somebody recently commented underneath one of my videos. They said, "Good Lord, you shave fast." Well, that may be the case, but it's probably for a good reason. If you shave slowly, somewhat too slowly, you're going to see that the razor kind of pulls on each individual hair as you go down. But if you pick up the pace just a little bit, it zips right through. No problem whatsoever. Give it a try. Speed it up just a little bit. Not too fast where you're zooming over it. You have to give the razor time to cut the beard. Similar to a lawnmower. If you go too fast when you're cutting the grass, it doesn't have enough time to properly cut all the grass. But if you get that sweet spot right in the middle, you can go fast enough and slice it off cleanly, and it works properly. Let's try this side. I'll cut the sideburn, okay? And then slowly, I have a 2 or 3 day beard growth. I can feel the razor kind of skipping over the top of the hairs when I go slowly. And you really get the audible feedback too of it kind of pulling on those hairs. But if you just pick up the pace a little bit, speed it up, boom, zips right through. So there's a possibility that some of you just may be shaving a bit too slowly. Just give it a shot. Put it this way. When it comes time to shave your face, it might help you to pick up the pace. That's it. I'm going to finish my shave. Give it a try. See what you think. Some of you beginners, you might be a little bit reluctant to shave quickly. You want to go real slow and make sure you're doing it properly and checking your angle. Sometimes it might pay just speed it up a little bit. Just try it. Speed it up a little bit instead of going really slow and having the razor kind of drag and pop and skip over the hairs. Speed it up a little bit and it will slice cleanly right through. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.